In the last video, we covered 5 daily hacks you should be doing to support your health defense systems. In this video, we're going to go over some quick and easy 5x5x5 recipes that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Dr. Lee's 5x5x5 framework is a strategy he developed to support the 5 health defense systems. According to the framework, to keep all of your health defenses working at optimal health, you can work a minimum of 5 health-supporting foods into meals and snacks, and incorporate them up to 5 times each day into your breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, and dessert. So, it's simply 5 health-supporting foods for 5 health defense systems, 5 times a day. To learn more about this, check out the 3rd video in the series. The good thing about the 5x5x5 framework is that Dr. Lee has designed it in an easy-to-follow way, meaning it's unrestrictive and not overwhelming. But if you need some recipes to go by, we've curated 5 easy-to-make, health-supporting recipes you can make in under 30 minutes. We'll be breaking the recipes down into your daily diet routine. So let's begin with the most important meal of the day, breakfast. Number 1, honey peach breakfast oats.
Actually does a lot of things. It cuts off the blood supply to tumors. It actually helps to protect stem cells, your health defenses.
Peaches aren't just the pride of Georgia. They're also a great food to consider if you're looking to keep your angiogenesis, your body's ability to grow and maintain blood vessels, healthy. Most of us have this little problem where we constantly skip breakfast. While this might seem harmless initially, in the long run, we're doing our bodies a disservice. So, if this is you, here's an easy, quick, and healthy honey peach breakfast oats recipe that you can make before you go running after that 8 a.m. bus. Packed with fiber, nutrients, and a touch of protein, this recipe contains several key ingredients that also promote other health defense systems. Peaches, for example, support angiogenesis as a result of their high vitamin C content. They also have antioxidant properties that work to protect cells from damage, and polyphenols, a nutrient that contributes to healthy blood flow. Then there's oats, which enhance gut health as a result of their high beta-glucan content and prebiotic fiber. Beta-glucan also works to fuel the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. And if there's one thing we've learned from this series, it's that a healthy gut bacteria translates to a healthy microbiome, which occupies a very important position in immune system function. Also, the fiber in oats helps support the body's regenerative system by helping with tissue repair. The recipe also contains almond milk, a dairy-free alternative that supports cellular health with its vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that keeps cells away from oxidative damage. Additionally, the honey in the recipe also contains polyphenols and flavonoids that assist in immune defense. Now, cinnamon and nutmeg might be subtle additions, but they are very potent when it comes to supporting immunity. This is because cinnamon boasts antimicrobial properties which help the immune system ward off infections, while nutmeg possesses anti-inflammatory benefits that work to protect cells from damage. Finally, there are almonds, which are rich in vitamin E and healthy fats, thereby protecting cellular health, as these healthy fats support the body's ability to regenerate by promoting tissue repair and healthy skin, while also keeping your gut microbiome healthy. With this combination of ingredients, you'll be sure to give your health defense system exactly what it needs to start the day on a high note. To prepare, simply grab a juicy, ripe peach, cut it into 2, and toss 1/2 into a blender. Incorporate the oats, milk, honey, egg, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, and salt, and blend until it's smooth. After this, you'd want to transfer the peachy batter into a microwave-safe bowl and pop it into the microwave for 3 minutes. Once it's ready, it'll have this really interesting sponge cake-like texture. If you want to add some more peaches to the mix, top it with the other peach half from earlier, add some yogurt, some sliced almonds, and a bit of honey to your taste. Once this is all done, your delicious and healthy honey peach breakfast oats are ready. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by dropping your comments in the comments section. Number 2, tomato and avocado salad.
Contain a bioactive called lycopene that's been shown to improve your circulation, lower the risk of prostate cancer and breast cancer, and also improves your metabolism by burning away harmful body fat.
Your lunch is supposed to be fresh and filled with nutrients. But on days you don't want to stress about what to cook, How about an easy tomato and avocado salad? It's full of flavor, simple, and most importantly, packed full with a lot of good stuff. First things first, the tomatoes. Tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that supports DNA protection, the part of the body's defense system that works against oxidative damage. Additionally, lycopene also plays a very important role in boosting immune health. Avocados, on the other hand, are exactly what you'd want to eat for regeneration. Thanks to their healthy fat content, they help nourish cell membranes, thereby supporting the body's ability to repair tissues. Plus, avocados also contain vitamin E, which helps protect cells from damage. For the red onions, they provide quercetin, a flavonoid that supports the immune system with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But that's not all. Quercetin also helps regulate immune responses and protects cells from oxidative stress, making it a great choice in the battle against chronic inflammation. Additionally, the olive oil in the salad, which is a staple in Mediterranean diets, promotes regeneration as a result of its high levels of monounsaturated fats and polyphenols. Plus, they also provide anti-inflammatory effects, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Then there's the presence of balsamic vinegar, which also contains polyphenols that support healthy gut bacteria. There's also lemon juice, with its vitamin C immune-defending content, and finally, the salt and fresh pepper, although very basic at first glance, which help balance the flavors. However, black pepper supports digestive health by increasing nutrient absorption. All these ingredients together create the perfect nutrient powerhouse for a healthy defense system supporting lunch. When we said this recipe was super simple, we weren't kidding. To prepare, simply dice the tomatoes and avocado, slice the red onion thinly, and toss everything in a bowl. Drizzle the olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and lemon juice over the top. Give it a gentle stir to coat everything evenly, then sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. And that's it. A quick, healthy, and delicious salad that's ready in minutes. Perfect for lunch or as a side with dinner. Enjoy! Before we move on, if you're looking to dive deeper into how diet can boost your overall health, be sure to subscribe to the QuickTime newsletter linked below. Each week, we share expert-backed tips, delicious recipes, and actionable steps to help you live longer and feel your best. Delivered right to your inbox. Number 3. Tropical Berry Bliss Smoothie.
They contain a bioactive called proanthocyanidins that have been shown to improve immunity, lower inflammation, and can help your metabolism.
For a midday snack, how about something cool and refreshing? Something like a cranberry mango smoothie with a tropical twist sounds about right. If you're a fan of smoothies, but you want to switch the more traditional taste for something different, we've got you covered. Cranberries should be your go-to choice, not only because they offer a change from traditional smoothie flavors, like strawberry and pineapple, but because they also contain a healthy dose of nutrients to keep your microbiome healthy. Cranberries are high in antioxidants, and as a result, contribute to immune defense as a result of their high content of antioxidants like flavonoids and vitamin C. But cranberries also possess high levels of proanthocyanidins, a compound that helps prevent harmful bacteria, thereby keeping your gut microbiome protected. The antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene in mangoes, on the other hand, help neutralize free radicals that can damage DNA. Blueberries are also excellent for providing DNA protection, but they also support healthy angiogenesis thanks to their high levels of anthocyanins and other antioxidants. The orange juice in the recipe also plays a huge role in immune defense thanks to its high vitamin C content, which helps strengthen immune cells, like white blood cells, that protect the body from infections. Plus, orange juice also supports angiogenesis, so you can guzzle a cup if you'd like some extra defense support. To prepare the Tropical Berry Bliss smoothie, chop up some mangoes and put them in a blender, along with some cranberries, blueberries, orange juice, plant-based milk, and lemon juice. Top with some ice chips if you'd like. Blend this for 5 to 10 seconds or until it's smooth, and when it is, simply pour in a cup and enjoy. Note, if you're going to make use of frozen mango or berries, let them thaw a bit so you can get a smoother blend. Number 4, chicken and broccoli rabe.
What these do is activate your immune system.
For dinner, it's time to get your cooking skills ready because we're about to prepare some chicken and broccoli rabe. It sounds complicated, but trust us, this dish is just as simple as the others. It is healthy too, as it contains several ingredients that boost health defense supporting properties. First, we've got the broccoli rabe, which is excellent for DNA protection thanks to its powerful antioxidants like sulforaphane and carotenoids that help neutralize free radicals. Interestingly, sulforaphane supports detoxification pathways that remove toxins, thereby tampering oxidative stress down and protecting cellular DNA. The recipe also contains cherry peppers that might be spicy, but also boost your immune system. These peppers are rich in capsaicin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and also boosts metabolism, which in turn contributes to general cellular health. Chicken breasts also play a huge role as they are a great source of high-quality protein and are rich in B vitamins, essential for cell growth and repair. Plus, the lean protein from chicken also helps rebuild and maintain muscle, thereby contributing to the body's regenerative capacity. Finally, the garlic in the recipe works to defend the immune system thanks to its active compound, allicin, which has antimicrobial and antiviral properties that help the body fight off infections. Additionally, garlic possesses anti-inflammatory effects, which reduce the risk of chronic inflammation. To prepare this delicious and healthy chicken and broccoli rabe, start by seasoning 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts with salt and pepper on both sides. In a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Cook the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes on each side until fully cooked and golden brown, then remove the chicken from the skillet and set it aside. In the same skillet, add 3 minced garlic cloves and cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, add a bunch of trimmed broccoli rabe and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until it begins to soften. Pour in 1/2 cup of chicken broth, bring it to a simmer, and add 2 to 3 sliced cherry peppers, along with 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes if you want extra heat. Let it cook for an additional 5 minutes until the broccoli rabe is tender. Slice the cooked chicken breasts and serve them over the sautéed broccoli rabe for a nutrient-packed meal. Number 5. Avocado and dark chocolate truffles.
Dark chocolate is actually a way of stimulating these stem cells to come on out in order to be able to do their thing.
For the final meal of the day, we'd want to go with something sweet and light, like say, some avocado and dark chocolate truffles. The avocados are a substitution for whipped cream, and using them gives these truffles a buttery texture that you'll love. Plus, the best part is, you won't even taste the avocado. The truffles are also a great idea for dessert, thanks to their high dark chocolate content. According to Dr. Lee, dark chocolate possesses a high level of flavonoids and antioxidants which work together to protect your DNA. Additionally, avocados are a great choice when it comes to regeneration as they're packed full of healthy fats that nourish cell membranes and aid in tissue repair. The icing on the cake is that these homemade avocado truffles are no bake, and they also come together in only 10 minutes. To prepare, simply melt chocolate in 30-second increments in the microwave, stirring in between. Mash the avocado until smooth and mix it into the melted chocolate. Add some vanilla, salt, and cayenne, adjusting the heat to your liking. When it's all bubbled and cooked, chill the mixture, then roll into truffles. Coat in cacao powder and refrigerate. If you'd prefer it without the pepper, you can take it out of your recipe. Which of these recipes would you be trying out? Interested in learning more recipes? We've got you covered with a free 5x5x5 5-day meal plan, but it's only a sample. So if you're interested in exploring more recipes, check out our full 30-day plan linked below.